In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a free blog on Wix. By the end, you'll have everything set up to write, organize, and publish posts without spending a cent, and you'll know exactly where to manage your content going forward. First, open your Wix site in the editor. Log into your Wix account and open the specific site you want to add a blog to. Make sure you're inside the Wix editor with the left-hand sidebar visible. That's your main navigation while you build. If you can clearly see that sidebar, you're in the right place to continue. Next, install the Wix Blog app. In the left-hand sidebar, click App Market. Use the search bar at the top to type Wix Blog. Look for the official Wix Blog app and click Install. If a permissions prompt pops up, click Allow or Confirm so Wix can connect the blog features to your site. These permissions let the app add the necessary pages and manage your blog content. After installation, let Wix create the blog pages for you. Wix automatically adds a main blog page where visitors can browse all your posts, along with any supporting pages the blog needs. You don't have to design these from scratch. Wix provides a clean, ready-to-use layout that you can customize later if you'd like. Now open the blog dashboard, which is where you'll do most of your writing and organizing. In the left-hand sidebar, click My Business. Find Wix Blog and then click Manage Blog. This opens the blog dashboard where you can create new posts, edit existing ones, organize categories, and keep everything tidy. If you're starting from scratch, click Add Post. Give your post a clear, descriptive title, write your content, and insert images where they add value. Add categories to help readers navigate, like travel, tips, or reviews, and set a featured image to make your post stand out on the main blog page. Use Save Draft or Preview to check formatting, spacing, and image placement before you publish so everything looks polished. If you already have posts on another platform, use the import option in the Wix blog dashboard. Follow the prompts to bring your existing content into Wix. After the import, skim through a few posts to confirm headings, images, and links look correct. When a post is ready, publish it. Keep your blog consistent by using the same layout, clear headings, and a regular publishing rhythm. And remember, you can always return to Manage Blog to add new posts or update older ones. That's how you create a free blog on Wix. By installing the Wix Blog app, letting Wix set up the pages, and using the Manage Blog dashboard, you can start writing or importing posts right away, all without paying a cent. Enjoy creating your free blog on Wix.